We independently research, test, review, and recommend the best products. We tested 5 of the top-rated vacuum sealers side by side in the test kitchen of our dedicated lab. We rated them on ease of use, pulse control, suction power and cleanup, and Sous Vide cooked vacuum sealed meat to check for broken seals. Vacuum sealers work by sucking the air out from the space around your food inside a bag or canister, and then sealing those containers to prevent air from leaking back inside to spoil your food. Point 1. Besides extending shelf life and allowing you to buy food in bulk, vacuum sealers are also useful for Sous Vide cooking, preserving fish after a fishing trip, and even keeping valuable metals protected from air exposure. Here are the best vacuum sealers available today, according to hours of lab tests. There are numerous options for cheap best vacuum sealers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best vacuum sealers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer. The Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer is intuitive to use, features several settings to ensure the best results for a variety of foods, and in our testing, its capabilities equaled or surpassed that of models, double its price. There are sealing settings for dry foods, like cereal, and moist foods, like raw meat, as well as an option to create a double heat seal on any bag. A double vacuum pump extracts every last bit of air from your sealed package. Even with irregularly shaped items, we saw almost no air pockets or bubbles after sealing. There are also 2 vacuum pressures to choose from, normal and gentle, to keep more delicate foods like crackers and other snacks from breaking. Number 2. Mueller Austria Vacuum Sealer Machine. This vacuum sealer from Mueller Austria is a great value. Not only does it create strong seals, but it also boasts an easy-to-use control panel, which gives you complete control over the vacuum sealing process, and it's compatible with other brands of vacuum sealer bags and rolls. There are options for gentle or airtight vacuuming, so you don't have to worry about delicate foods like crackers or soft produce getting smashed. To test the sealer's efficacy in a real-life setting, we also sent it to an at-home tester who liked this option for freezing leftover brownies or strawberries and overripe bananas for smoothies. Number 3. Anova Precision Sous Vide Vacuum Sealer. This sealer is intended for use with the brand's popular Sous Vide cooker, but it works well for food saving, too. The super sleek and simple one-touch Anova is designed to extract air quickly and seal tightly. You can use it with bags of different sizes for serving groups of 2 or 10. If vacuum sealers with tons of bells and whistles intimidate you, you're in luck. You don't have to be tech-savvy to use this one. The 3 buttons on the top, vacuum and seal, and pulse vacuum, are straightforward and get the job done. In fact, our lab testers didn't even need to look at the manual to figure this machine out. Plus. Number 4. FoodSaver V4840 2-in-1 Automatic Vacuum Sealing System. FoodSaver makes some of the best-selling vacuum sealers available today. This vacuum sealing system is fully automated. There's bag detection that starts the vacuum sealing process and moisture detection that selects the correct mode, whether you're sealing marinated steaks or pantry snacks. There's an LED light display to indicate progress, and the machine turns itself off when the job is done. When tested in our lab, this machine had some of the best suction power of all the vacuum sealers we tested, making it ideal for sealing meat. Plus, it was quick. If you're looking to stock the freezer all at once, the FoodSaver 2-in-1 will tackle your task in no time. Number 5. NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Featuring a lightweight design and straightforward interface, the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer earned top marks in our lab test for pulse control. 2 sealing options, dry and moist, allow you to seal anything from soup to chicken or steak for Sous Vide. There is also an option for normal or gentle. In our lab tests, the NutriChef excelled at sealing delicate food items. Strawberries, raspberries, cereal, and pretzels all held up exceedingly well. Some juices were released when we used it to seal raw pork, but there were minimal air pockets. The one real downside our lab testers noted was the fact that the machine felt hot after each use, meaning this might not be the top choice if you're looking to seal in bulk. It's also missing a removable drip tray, which makes cleaning more difficult. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.